We often get asked how people without a VR headset who are participating in a Resolve review session can follow along with those that do have a VR headset, whether that's in person, in a conference room, on a screen, or across a video conferencing session like Teams or Zoom. And one way to do it is to use Meta's built-in casting functionality, where you see exactly what's being seen in the headset on a website. And if I interact with the model, you can see it on the screen. The downside is you have to be logged into the same Meta account, and this is basically a video stream. So sometimes it can be a little choppy and make people dizzy. But in my opinion, the limitation for most folks wanting to experiment with this workflow is that you're tied to a single Meta account. And so if you have 3 headsets in your review session, it's impossible to cast all of their views because you have to open 3 different tabs or jump through all these hoops. So the other option, which is baked into Resolve's Lightning Viewer on the web, is to use our follow functionality. If you open one of your projects on Resolve in the web browser, then you can do a real-time collaboration session with multiple people across multiple devices like desktops and VR headsets. And if you follow someone, I can see all the users here. Let's say I follow myself on the headset. This looks very similar to what we were just seeing on the cast screen, except I can unfollow myself at any time and interact with the model on my own, but I get all the benefits of casting. I can see my menu. This is really important. You don't just want to follow someone's view without knowing what they're clicking on, because then when they're trying to interact with the model, you end up playing a game of telephone as you're trying to figure out what menu are you on? What did you click? Oh, do you see that icon with the plus button? Here, I can see exactly what is open on my collaborators menu, and I can assist them through the review. Or if I'm the one in VR, I can show people properties or open issues, and they will see that on the screen. And I can also unfollow them and then explore the model on my own in case I need to zoom into something to better understand it. Or if there's another stakeholder in my meeting and I want to see their perspective, I click on their name and follow them, and now I'm seeing what they're seeing. So unlike casting, where it's one view to one headset at a time and a single Meta account, here, really anyone who's part of my project team who is in the review session with me, I can jump to and see them and walk them through what is going on. The other cool thing is this is not just about following people, it's also about guiding people through a review. I can press the gather button on the Lightning Viewer, and it will gather everybody to my position. So it's really not a one-way follow tool where I'm just seeing what people are seeing. I'm able to guide them through and make sure that as we're collaborating in real time, we are all going through it together, all understanding things from different perspectives the way we need to, and we can be more efficient with our time. So I just wanted to break down the differences between something like Meta's built-in cast, which can be really helpful for quick scenarios, and following along with Resolve on the web viewer across devices.